March 8th, taken at 629 on the top side, 5-4X, working on it with Rogan.